Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop. How you doing? Yeah, doing good. Look, sorry, you know how I am. I like to see everything. Are these 12s or 10s? 12s, whoa.
They're the Genesis G212s.
Wow.
Last time you saw it, I had 621s. I just couldn't ever get happy.
Dude, you need a crazy amount of cone or box space to optimize that much subwoofers. How many subwoofers you got in here? 4, 8, 16. Wow.
Believe it or not, without the baffle, it's 79 cubes.
70 gross?
Cubes. Yeah.
Did you use the same outside baffle to build?
The baffle. I had to put the backup part, but I just changed the baffle.
Yeah.
It's 4 layers. And the bottom's 24, top's 48, so it's about close to 2 to 1.
Yeah.
But I've only got 2 of my amps hooked up, and they're 1 on repeat.
Are you cooling off, or can I get a demo? Okay.
I think I can play it all day and not worry about it.
Yeah.
I mean, the amps are 1 on repeat. So.
Yeah. So you have 4 back there, or 3?
3, but only 2 of them hooked up.
Okay.
I popped one a couple weeks ago.
What are your tunings on this?
22, 44.
And I know you said you had a 3rd amp. You actually had 3 before on this thing.
4. I had
4,
4
wow.
DC9Ks wired at a half, or they were strapped to one wire to a half.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it was really ridiculous.
I'm surprised you didn't pop your windshield.
Well, we never got it to full tilt.
Yeah.
I forgot to cut one of my alternators on. I popped the amp.
Man. So, what are these subs rated at? RMS wise?
I think he rates them at like 2,000 RPMs.
Uh-huh.
But I
Yeah.
mean, they're a big 3-inch
Yeah.
roll. They're about 65 pounds. I mean, they're stout.
Very nice. So what made you go with this versus your previous big subwoofer cone area sub?
I think I was trying to cram too much and too little.
Yeah.
I'd have been better off with 4 than 6.
Yeah.
So I just figured I'd change the whole thing out and talk with Paul on or G2.
Yeah. Nice.
Work with him, and I'm a lot happier. I just got to get my amp fixed and
awesome.
carry on.
Thank you very much. What was your name again?
Billy.
Billy Staples. All right. This is an insane build. I don't think there's not very many builds where you fit this much cone area in a 6th order with that many subs.
It's 55.5 inches wide, so it's tricky to make the baffle having to cut one, having to add this piece in.
Oh, you added that. Got it. Yeah.
So it's layered, it's staggered all the way up.
Is it triple baffle or quad? 4? Yeah. Wow.
It's steel bracing under it. There's steel down the side, steel across each
Yeah.
section where they run across.
Did you ever try inverting for fun yet?
I did it straight to death.
Yeah. Very nice.
I would invert them, but honestly, I don't like how the back of the subs look. They're just plain.
Plain, yeah. sneeze, man. That's crazy loud. Thanks for the demo, man. This is an insane build. I don't think there's not very many builds where you fit this much cone area in a 6th order with that many subs.